Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. Today we are unboxing Apple's brand new AirPods Pro 3, Apple's most advanced wireless earbuds yet. On the top of the box, you will get glimpse of the earbuds, and around the rest of the box, you will find Apple branding and product information. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Check out the design changes and talk about what's new this year. I have already removed the seal, so let's get started. As usual, the first thing you will see is the design by Apple in California paperwork pouch, which contains the quick start guide, warranty information, and safety sheet. Next, we have the AirPods inside the charging case. Let's keep them aside for now. Then you will find the air tips pouch. This time, Apple has included a new set of air tips, now available in 4 sizes instead of 3. You will get large, small, and extra small for more customized fit. Unfortunately, Apple hasn't included a Type C to Type C cable with the AirPods Pro 3. It will be sold separately. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's unwrap the AirPods. Here's the charging case of the AirPod Pro 3. Visually, it looks quite similar to the Pro 2, but there are some subtle refinements. The case now has a slightly matte finish for a better grip. If you take a look at the back, you will notice there is no reset button in this generation of AirPods. You might be wondering how to reset AirPods then. Don't worry, I have covered a detailed video on how to do that. And on the side, there is a lanyard loop perfect for attaching a strap. At the bottom, you will find the Type C charging slot accompanied by a speaker grill. This plays Find My Alert sound when you try to locate the case from your iPhone. This time, Apple has improved it for louder and clearer sound. Now let's talk about the two major new features in the AirPods Pro 3. For the first time, users can measure heart rate and track over 50 workout types using the new experience in the fitness app on iPhone. The second big addition is live translation, which makes face to face conversation easier by helping users communicate even if they don't speak the same language. So that's all for the unboxing and the first look of the AirPods Pro 3. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any question, feel free to ask. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.